Constipation relief starts with nature's secret weapons that doctors rarely share. 3 months ago, I was desperate. Sitting in my doctor's office for the 4th time that year, complaining about the same embarrassing problem. Chronic constipation had taken over my life. The constant bloating, the painful straining, the feeling of never being completely empty. Sound familiar? My gastroenterologist handed me another prescription laxative. "Take this daily," he said. But something inside me rebelled. There had to be a better way. A natural way that wouldn't make my body dependent on chemicals. That's when I discovered what indigenous cultures have known for centuries. Certain foods work like gentle magnets for your digestive system, pulling waste through your colon naturally and efficiently. No harsh chemicals, no dependency, just pure biological harmony. Let me share the game-changing foods that transform my gut health completely. Prunes pack incredible digestive power through sorbitol and fiber. Prunes aren't just for grandparents anymore. These wrinkled superfoods contain sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that draws water into your intestines. The Mayo Clinic confirms that just 6 to 8 prunes daily can significantly improve bowel movement frequency. The fiber content is equally impressive, with 3 grams per serving helping bulk up stool naturally. Start with 4 prunes in the morning with a glass of water. Increase gradually if needed, but don't exceed 10 daily to avoid cramping. Ground flax seeds create the perfect intestinal broom effect. Flax seeds are nature's scrub brush for your colon. When mixed with water, they form a gel-like substance that sweeps through your digestive tract. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Science showed that 10 grams of ground flaxseed daily increased bowel movements by 30% within 2 weeks. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed into your morning smoothie or yogurt. Always drink plenty of water with flax seeds to prevent them from causing blockages. Magnesium-rich foods work like internal muscle relaxers. Magnesium acts as a natural muscle relaxant for your intestinal walls. Almonds, spinach, and pumpkin seeds are excellent sources. The National Institutes of Health reports that magnesium deficiency contributes to chronic constipation in many adults. Aim for a handful of almonds daily or a large spinach salad. These foods provide 20 to 25% of your daily magnesium needs. Warm water triggers your gastrocolic reflex naturally. Here's something simple that changed everything for me. Drinking 16 ounces of warm water first thing in the morning activates your gastrocolic reflex. This natural response signals your colon to start moving. Add a squeeze of lemon for extra digestive benefits. The temperature matters. Warm water relaxes your digestive muscles better than cold water, which can actually slow things down. Fiber-rich apples provide both soluble and insoluble benefits. Apples contain both types of fiber your colon craves. Soluble fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool. The skin contains most of the insoluble fiber, so always eat apples unpeeled. 1 medium apple provides 4 grams of fiber. Eat 1 to 2 daily for optimal results, but increase gradually to avoid gas and bloating. Practical integration strategies for lasting success. Combining these foods strategically maximizes their effectiveness. I start my day with warm lemon water, followed by steel-cut oats topped with ground flaxseed and sliced apple. Mid-morning, I enjoy a small handful of almonds and 4 to 6 prunes. Consistency matters more than quantity. Eating small amounts daily works better than large amounts occasionally. Your digestive system thrives on routine. Important safety considerations you need to know. While these foods are generally safe, some people may experience gas or bloating initially. Start with smaller portions and increase gradually over 1 to 2 weeks. People with diverticulitis should avoid seeds and nuts during flare-ups. Tracking your progress ensures you're on the right path. Keep a simple food and bowel movement diary for 2 weeks. Note what you eat and how your digestion responds. This helps identify which foods work best for your unique system. Most people notice improvements within 3 to 5 days, with significant changes by week 2. Be patient with your body as it adjusts to increased fiber intake. When to seek professional medical guidance, consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have existing digestive conditions. Sudden changes in bowel habits lasting more than 2 weeks warrant medical evaluation. After 6 weeks of following this natural approach, my life transformed completely. Regular, comfortable bowel movements became my new normal. The constant bloating disappeared, and I felt lighter and more energetic than I had in years.